I just installed the Rheem Performance Plus water heater 39 gallons. The power light and upper element light are on but not the lower element. The tank was full and the air was bled out of the hot water taps before power was hooked up. Does the light alternate?
Did you double-check the thermostat settings? And what about the filters?
I did not check the thermostat. Factory default setting is 60, so I thought I'd leave it there for now. Filters?
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
It's done, I did it myself.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nope.
Welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will do my best to help you with your issue. If my initial response doesn't answer your question, then let me know and we can continue our conversation. Please be patient, it can take a few minutes for me to respond. Please ignore the intake box questions. The elements on residential electric water heaters alternate. They are never on at the same time.
Phew, that helps me a lot, thank you. The written info didn't mention that.
You're welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.